In this video, you'll learn how to use the select property in Notion. By following these instructions, you will be able to create and manage select properties effectively within your Notion workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage with options to log in or sign up depending on your existing account status. Next, locate and click on the button that says Add New Page. This option is typically found in the left sidebar, allowing you to create a fresh page in your workspace. After clicking this, a new blank page will appear on your screen. After the new page opens, you will see a space at the top where you can enter a title. Click on this area and type in the title you want for your page. This helps in organizing your content effectively. Once you've entered the title, you can click on any blank space to proceed. Type in /database in the blank space of your new page. This command will prompt a menu to appear, displaying various database options available in Notion. After typing this, look for the database options that appear and click on Database Inline. This selection allows you to create a database directly within the page. Next, select Tasks Tracker from the list of database templates presented. This will set up a task management structure that you can customize. After selecting it, a new database will be created on your page, and you will see the newly created database table. Once the database is visible, you will see a button labeled Get Started within the database. Click on this button to initialize your task tracker. After this step, you will notice that the task tracker is now ready for customization. Following that, click on the Done button to finalize the setup of your task tracker. This action will confirm your choices and display the database layout that you can now modify. Next, click on the placeholder for the task name within the database. This action allows you to add a new task entry. After clicking, you will be able to input the name of the task. Now, click on the Add Property option usually found at the top of the database. This feature allows you to add new properties to your task entries. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Select. This option allows you to create a new select property for your tasks. After selecting it, a new property will be generated in your database. You will then click on the select box that appears next to your new property. This box is where you will define the options available for your select property. After clicking, a dialog will open for you to add options. Next, click on Select an option or Create one. This is where you will have the opportunity to add a new option for your select property. Once this appears, you can start typing the name of the option. Type in Group 1 as an example for your first option. After entering the name, you should see it populate in the select options. Click on Group 1 to confirm this option. Now, click on the select box again. This action allows you to choose another option for your task. After this, click on Group 1 Another to add an additional option. Click on the third select box next to your new property. This is where you will define another category for your tasks. After clicking, type in Group 2 to create another option. Finally, click on Group 2 to finalize this selection. This step completes the setup of your select property, allowing you to categorize your tasks efficiently within Notion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.